Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CSC Scholar Studies. In this lecture, I will solve the question based on the minimal DFA. In this problem, we construct the minimal DFA with the string. So let's start. The question says that construct the minimal DFA that accept all string of A and B, and condition is each string ends with B. Means हमारी जो स्ट्रिंग्स होगी उसके एंड में हमारा बी आएगा, राइट? बी स्टार्टिंग में कुछ भी आ सकता है, नल भी हो सकता है, ए भी हो सकता है, ए भी हो सकता है, ए बी भी हो सकता है, बी भी हो सकता है, राइट? ए बी means the question says that the end of the string is always b. So this is the language, these are the strings, it may be infinite, right? So we will construct the minimal DFA for the this particular language. So we will start from the smallest string. This is the smallest. Suppose Q0 is a initial state and the smallest is a B. So any transition of B and halt as any final state. Suppose this is a Q1 and next string is a AB, means we will draw any loop of the A, then this string AB is accepted. Next string AAB, A two times of the A loop and B, this string is accepted. And BB means at the final state it comes a step loop of B, then this string is accepted, right? Another string says that AB means AB, another loop is A AB, right? This is for this string we will go start from A B and A B, right? So I think this is the final DFA, because for all states all input transition has been occur here. uh, for Q0 A transition is come and B transition is come. For Q1 state B transition is come and A transition is come. So this is the minimal DFA of the given string, right? Now see the another example. Here say that each strings start with A and end with B. Means first we will write the strings, means start with A and end with B. तो मिनिमल स्ट्रिंग क्या हो जाएगी? ए फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग हो जाएगी ए बी, जिसमें ए से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, बी से एंड हो रहा है. सेकेंड हो जाएगा सपोज ए बी, ए बी बी, मीन्स हमें स्टार्टिंग और एंड को देखना है, बीच में कुछ भी है, बट कंडीशन है कि ए से स्टार्ट होगा और बी से एंड होगा, राइट? द लैंग्वेज इज अ set of all the string and it is infinite. So we will draw the minimal DFA. First smallest string is a AB. So first we will draw the for the smallest string. Suppose Q0 is the initial state and the transition is A, and Q1 is the second state and B, Q2 is a final state. So the smallest string AB has been accepted, and second is a AAB, means AAB अगर हम यहाँ पे लगा देते हैं AAB हो जाएगा, ठीक है? और नेक्स्ट है AABB, हम यहाँ पे B लगा देते हैं तो भी हो जाएगा, ठीक है? बट फॉर दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज व्हेन वी ड्रॉ द सेल्फ लूप ऑफ A here and but not come B at this stage, because there is no B A transition here. So we will draw the self loop at this given state and draw the self loop of B at the final state, because we need to the end state end symbol with B. So and For this string, we will need to the further A. So we will check A, B, right? So I think this is a minimal DFA for the given string, and we will check another input transition. First we will check for Q0. So there is no B transition. We draw the B transition is the dead state because never string start with the B symbol. So we send this B transition at the dead state, and dead state is also a self group of A and B. And for Q1 there is a both transition A and B is, so this is fine. For Q2 there is a transition for B and S, this is also fine. So this is the minimal DFA of the given question, right? I think these two question is solve the help to solve the problem based on the strings, so and minimal DFA. So I will discuss another example in the coming lecture. So continue the coming lecture and solve the question based on the DFA. So thank you.